Tago mo ng kalok mo.
So guys, actually, yung gold kasi hindi ko masyado pinaplex. Kasi syempre, profile kasi ng aking mga client. So ngayon, I want to show you for the first time na order. So this is buy one take one na gold. And actually, yung client ko nito, undecided pa siya that time kasi meron pa siya pinagastusan. And I say, kung daw at least 500 para ma-avail mo yung buy one take one. And sabi mo, pwede pala yun. Ayun. Pwede. Okay, pwede. Then, eto na. Buy one take one and it's surprise. It's 18K gold. Bonable. So, pwede natin ito, isang agad-agad. Investment ko para in time, gold kasi, nagmamahal. Oh, nagmamahal. Ewan ko, basta ko mahal. So, ayun. Sana all mahal. This is the chain. And ito yung binili niya. Ang ganda ng design. Of this. Ipapasok natin dito. Pagdatingan natin ha. So this is fresh from the box. Fresh from the box. Sana all fresh. Iba kasi yung hindi na fresh. Char. Ewan ko lang. Diba? Sabi nila. Sana all fresh. So ayun. Hirap na hirap tayo ipasok ko. Kasi hindi na ako ganito. Expert. Getting old. The eye is getting dry. So ayun. Paano ba ito? How? And how you gonna know about it? Okay. Let's try the other one. Maybe this one. Maybe this one is new. Ay, the girl. Wala friend na tayo this time. Wala friend. Excited ka kasi alam ko doon. Huwag ka may excited kami sa minsan para hindi tayo nakakaroon ng problema. Ayun, pala.
Okay.
Ano ba siyang shoot? Paano ba? I think. I need a sinulid. Kuya, kumuha ka ng sinulid kuya sa taas. Yung pangkahi ba lang? Yung color pick sa my computer. Remember? Ayun. Ma'am, ano may order? Ito tayo ko lang. Sorry. Let's check. Wow. Ang ganda. So far, so good. Amazing. So amazing. Yan. Ang ganda ng idea. Sino make sure. Yeah. I need to use this in my video. Yeah. But please, ako mag-gana.
No. Kuko no.
So, ayun na rin ng dito. I see this. What? Wait. So, ito. Diyos ko die kasi hindi mag-uwi. So, paano ko ulit ito? Diyos ko die. Ay, dito ako mag-uwi.
What are you doing?
Diba? Kasi, ganun lang. Oh, ganda. Oh, wow, amazing. Look at this. So, makulit. Mag-minuto. I-like ko siya kasi text natin. Sabi nga naman, ilang days sila ng update. So, I am just a sender. Meaning, send it all.
I get the big thing.
Tadyain mo, pag gusto ipasok, tadyain mo. Oh, shoot na siya. Oh, di ba? Kaganda guys. Oh. See? Beautiful. Oh. Not bad. Oh, wow. So good. So, ma'am, thank you. First time ko mag-flex. I mean, don't flex. And it's fresh. And this is cheap to LBC. Siya, maraming mo siya. So, kaya na guys. Thank you for watching. Anyway, recommend it. Thank you. Bye-bye.